Hi, my name is Lee Matthews and I'm a physiotherapist, and this is Pilates Rehab Relax. And today I'm going to guide you through a intermediate level Pilates routine that's about 10 minutes long. It's aimed at our core and our glutes. The majority of it will be in laying on our back, our side, and the last one will be on our tummy. So work at the right level for you. And if you're a bit new to all this, maybe start with one of the gentle routines rather than this one. So let's get started. So bring yourself onto the mat. I'm going to use a folded towel under my head there, and with one of the later techniques I'm also going to use a folded towel between my knees, or in my case a yoga block. The first of our movements we're going to do is the double leg stretch, and that's actually a movement of our arms. So on an outward breath, what I'm going to do is engage that core, and what I'll do is as my arms move out and away from me, so does one of my legs come up off of the mat. And then as I breathe back in again, I move those arms like they're drawing around a big circle, and that leg also comes in. And then we do the same on the opposite leg. So join in. Well, for our next exercise, we're going to do hundreds. At a basic level, it's bringing those shoulder blades and those arms off of the mat. But to engage the core even more, what we can do is bring one of our legs into tabletop. So here we go. I'm going to make some small oscillations with the hand, keeping those muscles engaged. And then down again. And then the same, lifting the opposite leg. So here we go. Engage the core, leg into tabletop. Up we come, engage the core, and we're looking for those oscillations there. Like there's two puddles either side of you that you are splashing, and then back down again. And the same again, engage the muscle, up we go. And down. And one last time on the other side, engage the muscle, leg into tabletop. There we go, and relax. So our next exercise is a shoulder bridge. And again, if you've got another folded towel nearby, you could pop that between your knees. You don't even need a towel at all, you can do it without. And I'm going to use a yoga block just because I've got one around here. So the shoulder bridge is, again, engaging that tummy muscle and peeling the spine one segment at a time up off of the mat. Now, to engage those muscles further, what we can do is lift one of our legs up and away, so really work those core muscles, and that's really going to target those glutes. And then back down, and then slowly, like a Mexican wave, back down. And the same again, engage the core, peeling your bottom up off of the mat there. And then again, lift the opposite leg. And again, bring that leg down, and then slowly bring yourself back to the start position and keep on going. And then bring yourself down. So you work at your pace, and you might just only lift the bottom a little bit. Your legs might both stay flat on the mat, and that's fine. And there we go. So for our next exercise, we're going to roll onto our sides, and this is the clam. So give yourself some support under the neck. I want your heels to remain together, your knees are about 90 degrees, and your heels, your hips, and your shoulders are in a nice straight line there. What we're going to do, we're going to engage that tummy muscle, and let's try and lift those heels up off of the mat there. Imagine you've got that glass of drink balanced on your waistline there, and keeping that muscle engaged, trying to lift those knees away from each other in a really slow, controlled fashion, and keep on going at your pace. And that's a really good exercise for those outer gluteal muscles. And let's roll over and do the same on the opposite side. Again, give yourself some support there. Get those ankles together, and let's make sure we're in a nice straight line. That's good. Engage those tummy muscles, lift those heels up and away from the mat. And again, imagining that glass of water balanced on your belt line, and moving those knees apart from one another. And then back to start position. And for the last of our exercises, we're going to lay on our front for an exercise called swimming. So adjust the folded towel so you've got a little bit of support underneath your forehead. And I'm looking for your arms to be out in front of you, with your hands flat on the floor and legs out behind you. Now, the aim would be to try and do this exercise without excessive movement from the trunk there. So we're going to be using our muscles. We engage our core, and you're going to try and lift one leg off of the mat just a few millimeters, and the opposite arm the same thing. So we keep controlled. We lift alternate arms and legs. And again, you work at your pace. And the aim would be that you've got a tray of drinks balanced between your shoulder blades there, and you wouldn't spill a drop. So engage that core muscle as you lift one leg and the opposite arm, and again you keep on going at your pace. There we go. So that was a 10-minute Pilates routine at an intermediate level. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, check out some of my other videos, and thanks for watching.